Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best kayak carts that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the TMS Canoe Kayak KY001 Canoe Carrier. Here arrives our first product on this list. It has a dimension of 13 by 9.2 by 22 inches. On top of that, it contains a loading maximum capacity of 120 pounds. This gear is created with high-quality aluminum steel, making it more durable. It is furnished with the foam cushions and 2 strong wheels in order for you to transport the canoe more securely. The tires are strong enough and are able to roll on rough terrains and sand gravel. It only takes few minutes to assemble it. Additionally, it has a V-shaped cradle that has foam bumpers on the arms. Moving on at number 4, we have the TMS Cart Kayak KY001B Deluxe Boat Trolley Cart Wheel. With this cart, you are able to transport a single kayak from your car up to water bodies very easily. It's made to hold the kayak since it has a V-shaped cradle that has foam bumpers on the arms of this cart. It also has a 13 inches nylon strap that is connected to it in order to prevent the cradle from opening very far. It also furnished with large tires that will enhance stable support, and it can be moved on rugged terrain, particularly in sandy zones. You are only required to rest your kayak at the dolly cart platform and you are ready to go. This gear is foldable and thus you can store it very easily. At number 3, we have the Bonlo Kayak 12 inches Cart Carrier Dolly Trolley. In case you are looking for the best kayak cart, this one is ideal for you. It comes with very attractive black and yellow colors. On top of that, it can support a maximum weight of 165 pounds. It is made with a durable and strong aluminum frame that ensures that this cart will enable you to carry heavy water gears. It incorporates foam bumpers that will ensure that the canoe has extra protection. It is likewise made with large rubber tires that will move on rugged terrains and sand easily. It is furnished with spring that will enable you to unload and load your kayak cart very easily. The cart can be folded and can be stored easily. At number 2, we have the Yahitek Kayak Cart Scupper Trolley Cart, Silver. This cart is created with long-lasting premium rubber bumper and aluminum frame. It is designed to fit well the kayak that has scupper holes that has a diameter of 3/4. The surface of this cart is coated with a spraying powder and this will make it more stable and strong. It is perfect for carrying inflatable boat and kayak. It has a maximum carrying capacity of 120 lb. Assembling this cart is very simple. It has a lightweight design and you can transport the kayak. It is furnished with 2 durable 9.4 inches wheels that ensure simple flexibility. On top of that, it has bumpers that assists keep the kayak to be in place. The tires are inflatable and this will absorb small bumps that are found in the road. And finally at number 1, we have the Bonlo Kayak Cart Canoe Carrier Trolley. If you have limited space, Bonlo Kayak Cart Carrier can be folded to ensure simple transport and storage. It is furnished with 2 5-feet bungee cords. It has removable tires and also has a removal linch pin, hence you can store the trolley on a large bag. On top of that, this cart is designed to be easy and quick to assemble. You do not need to have tools to assemble this cart. You can simply dolly breaks down this trolley, hence convenient for transport. It has a maximum 165 pounds carrying capacity and it will allow you to transport most kayaks. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.